Identify this traffic sign. Well spotted. This sign warns drivers to give way to other vehicles ahead. Guess this road sign. Excellent. This sign indicates a zebra crossing for pedestrians. This traffic sign is... Correct. This sign means that overtaking is not allowed on this stretch of road. What is this road sign? You got it! This sign shows that stopping is strictly prohibited. Guess this road sign. Good observation. This sign tells drivers that U-turns are not permitted. Identify this traffic sign. Well spotted. This warns that children may be walking to or from school. Name this traffic sign. Exactly. This is a worded warning message used for specific hazards. This road sign is... Good catch. This sign warns of loose stones and flying chippings. Guess this traffic sign. Excellent. This sign marks a mini roundabout ahead. Identify this road sign. Correct. This sign indicates a road with no through access. This traffic sign is... Well spotted. This sign warns of a maximum height restriction ahead. Guess this road sign. Good observation. This sign alerts drivers to wild animals crossing the road. Identify this traffic sign. Exactly. This sign warns of low-flying helicopters in the area. What is this traffic sign? You got it! This sign indicates a staggered junction ahead. This road sign is... Excellent! This sign warns drivers of an uneven or bumpy road surface. Guess this road sign. Good catch! This sign indicates a sharp bend to the left. Identify this traffic sign. Correct. This sign shows that traffic will merge from the left. What is this road sign? Well spotted. This sign warns that cattle may be on or near the road. Guess this traffic sign. Excellent. This sign means pedestrians are not allowed. This traffic sign is good observation. This sign restricts access to all vehicles except pedal cycles. Identify this road sign. You got it! This sign warns of part-time traffic signals ahead. Name this traffic sign. Exactly! This sign indicates a series of bends ahead. Guess this road sign. Well spotted. This sign designates a route reserved for tram cars only. This road sign is good catch. This sign prohibits vehicles carrying explosives. Identify this traffic sign. Excellent. This sign warns of a fire station nearby. What is this road sign? Correct. This sign prohibits goods vehicles. Guess this road sign. You got it. This sign marks a with-flow cycle lane. Identify this traffic sign. Well spotted. This sign prohibits towed caravans. This traffic sign is good observation. This sign indicates a maximum speed limit of 50 miles per hour. Guess this traffic sign. Excellent. This sign warns of wig-wag signals at crossings. Identify this road sign. Correct. This sign warns of a risk of long vehicles grounding ahead. This road sign is good catch. This sign alerts drivers to migratory toads crossing. What is this traffic sign? Exactly. This sign indicates a youth hostel nearby. Guess this road sign. Well spotted. This sign warns of a risk of ice on the road ahead. Identify this traffic sign. Excellent. This sign prohibits vehicles exceeding a specific length. This traffic sign is good observation. This sign shows traffic lights with an additional tram signal. Which road sign is this? You got it. This sign directs drivers to tourist information services. Identify this traffic sign. Correct. This sign instructs drivers to stop before crossing due to police control ahead. Guess this road sign. Well spotted. This sign alerts drivers to flashing light signals at a level crossing. This traffic sign is excellent. This sign marks a route reserved for pedal cycles and pedestrians only. Guess this road sign. Good catch. This sign shows that a motorway junction is approaching. Identify this traffic sign. Correct. This sign warns of a low-arched bridge ahead. Name this traffic sign. Exactly. This sign indicates that all 4 lanes are closed. What is this road sign? Good observation. This sign points to a historic castle tourist attraction. Guess this traffic sign. You got it. This sign marks the end of temporary restrictions. Identify this road sign. Well spotted. This is a clearance warning sign for long or tall vehicles. This road sign is excellent. This sign points to a steam railway tourist attraction ahead. Guess this road sign. Good catch. This sign instructs drivers to leave the motorway at the next exit. Identify this traffic sign. Correct. This sign restricts access for goods vehicles over 7.5 tons. This traffic sign is exactly. This sign marks the start of motorway regulations. Well done finishing this video. For more driving test tips, practice sessions, and helpful guides, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Keep your learning going with the videos on screen. Keep learning, and we'll catch you in the next session.